This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Livers. Sweeping ocean views and stunning wrap-around balcony from this northeast corner penthouse. Floor-to-ceiling impact sliding doors. Granite counters and soft close cabinets. Sprinkler system, hurricane shutters, 2018 air conditioner, 2022 water heater. Next door to the Vero Beach Hotel for your overflow guests. Walk to shops and restaurants. Deeded beach access and heated pool. For more information, review the details below.